Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To get started with Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office, first, download and install the software from the official Acronis website. Once installed, open the application. You'll see the main dashboard with various backup options. To create your first backup, click on the Backup tab located on the left side. Select Add Backup to begin the configuration process. Now, choose what you want to back up. You can select specific files, folders, or an entire disk. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Next, choose your backup destination. You have options like local storage, external drives, or cloud storage. After selecting the destination, click Next again. Now, you can set the backup schedule. Choose from options like daily, weekly, or manually, depending on your needs. Once you've configured the schedule, click Next. Review the summary of your backup settings. Make sure everything looks correct. Then, click Backup Now to start the backup process. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of the backup. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear. You can manage or access your backups from the main dashboard. To ensure your data is safe, consider setting up notifications for backup statuses. You're now ready to use Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office for your backup needs. Remember to regularly check and update your backups for maximum security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.